Om Narayanaaya Namaha.
Have you heard people saying Narayana, Narayana, Narayana? Have you heard people? Especially Narayana. When they get up and all. Have you heard people? It just comes Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. What they are thinking we don't know. But Narayana, Narayana comes out. Narayana Smaranam. Who says Narayana, Narayana? See, the very style I say it, immediately it projects Narada. Who is Narada? Ayo, Swamiji, don't remind of Narada because he is Kalahapriya. Kalahapriya means he loves quarrels. Kalaha Bhojana, he devours all quarrels. He creates quarrel. No, not that he creates it. Narada never creates troubles or anything. He recognizes the potential trouble already there. And he brings it out. He surfaces the potential problems and troubles. And then shoots it out. He makes it that the trouble is exhausted. That's why Narada. Narada means Naram Dadati. One who bestows knowledge. Means the teacher. A teacher is called Narada. So any spiritual seeker on a quest. Any example? Dhruva, Prahalada. He comes and guides. To what? To Narayana. Who is Narayana? The meaning is Narayana Namaha. Namaha means salutations. To whom? Narayana. Who is Narayana? One who is Lord Vishnu. Another name you are giving. So Narayana means Narasya Ayanam. Narasya Ayanam. Narasya Ayanam means? Ayanam means the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal of Sarva Jivanam. Narasya Ayanam. Not only human being. In the intellectual sense, we can say the ultimate goal of all human beings. What's the ultimate goal? Swamiji, to get 1 million. Ultimate goal. If you think 1 million is the ultimate goal, before you confirm it, go and check with a millionaire. If he had that goal and having got 1 million, what happened? Did he reach ultimate goal? Ask any millionaires. Here itself I can ask. When you reached million, did you reach ultimate goal? What, Swamiji, after I got the million, moment I look around, every third-rate fellow is a millionaire. Billion. Ask a billionaire, is it the ultimate goal? Ask Bill Gates. What's the other one? Buffett. Ask him also. Not Buffett, I think. So what is the ultimate goal? That comes next name, which, wait, don't forward it. When the next name comes, we will know what is our ultimate goal. So Narasya Ayanam, the ultimate goal of a human being. One meaning. Another meaning, Narasya Swarupam. Swarupam means your own nature, one's own nature, your own self. The self in you is Narayana. The self in you, your own nature, the real nature, your real nature is the divine life. The life in you, the self in you is Narayana. So Narasya Sarva Jivanam Swarupam. The nature of all beings is Narayana. The life in all life forms is Narayana. How many life forms are there? But same life in all the life forms. So Narasya Swarupam. Sarva Jivanam Surupam. Also, Naranam Samuha. Samuha means totality. The totality of all the BMIs, all the bodies. Imagine all the bodies. All the bodies, don't think only human body. Mineral, plant, animal, human, all the bodies, all the minds, all the intellects. That Samuha is Narayana, means the totality. That's why in the Gita, Dhyana Shloka, Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam. Narayana himself gave. Who is that Narayana? Krishna. Means one was identified with all the BMIs. One who is identified with all the BMIs, he is called Narayana. That's why he becomes the Jagat Guru. Jagat Guru is not a title conferred. Jagat Guru means one who is identified with the Jagat, entire Jagat. One who guides the Jagat of his times. Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum. So one who is identified with the totality, he is called Narayana. The body may be one. Even though conditioned by one body, his emenda is identified with the totality. Such a person is called Narayana. During independence time, for India's independence, Mahatma Gandhi is the Narayana at that time. Because he was identified with the 400 million. When Gandhiji was walking, who was walking? India was walking. When Gandhiji was talking, India was talking. When Gandhiji was fasting, not for blood test. They tell me, Swamiji, fasting, you test. The fasting, I remember Gandhiji only. So when he was fasting, whole India felt. They stopped the riots. Why? Gandhiji is dying. I don't want Gandhiji's death on my head. Because we will stop. They stopped the riots. Whole India felt that. Everybody felt. They didn't want him to die. How the identification. So one who identifies with the totality, he is Narayana. And Gurudev was identified with our Chinmaya mission. Whatever he said, nobody had second thoughts. No second thoughts. Because my own self telling me, if my own self tells my mind intellect, what doubts will I have? So I myself telling my mind intellect, so I want to do it. So he is Narayana. But a easiest way to know that Gurudev is Narayana or not, the easiest way is, whoever is all Mahatmas are Narayanas because they have realized the Narayana Swarupa, their own self. So they become Narayana. But how to recognize? Whenever there is Narayana, Lakshmi always follows Narayana. That is the clue. Look at Chinmaya Mission projects. How many projects? If you just type chinmayamission.com, how many mission centers all over the world? No project of Chinmaya Mission stopped due to lack of funds. Did not stop. All projects are funded. Our own project. Which project? Just next to you. To your own left. 17 acres. Just about 90 days, our mission members have contributed more than 850,000. How did it come? And we signed the contract. And they have reciprocated the contract for 900,000 so that we can do the feasibility study. Today they are meeting to do the feasibility study. How is it possible? Narayana's project. When it is Narayana's project, Lakshmi has to come. And whoever are involved in that project, they are all Narayanas. Those who are not involved, Naraka Chaturdashi is coming. Think. So, all his projects are in Bombay, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, because I'm changing the names also now. They did the Tulabharam. Tulabharam means weighing Swamiji in gold and silver. I was there when the Gurudev was being weighed in gold in Bengaluru. There he told, you could have told me 3 months earlier, he was telling them. Why didn't you tell me 3 months earlier? This why sound? I would have increased my weight. But now I feel that I want my disciple to sit on the balance first, then I will sit on my disciple. And I will select a very substantial guru. Guru also means heavy. Then I will sit on that. And what did he do to that gold and silver? All to Chinmaya Mission projects. So Lakshmi always, Gurudev always said, hold on to Narayana. Lakshmi will be begging you. For what? Please give me some time, some interview with my Narayana. Lakshmi will be begging you. That's the glory of Narayana. So, all Mahatmas who have realized the self-divine, they are Narayanas. And Gurudev was our visible presence of Narayana. So what is Narayana? I said, Narasya Ayanam.
Om Narayana Namaha.